everyone, this is Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thanks for clicking on the button, and it would mean the world to me if you subscribe. I post videos about beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, and yeah, everything. So this video is a haul, a makeup and skincare haul. I've used most of these products. I can tell you what I think as well. So let's begin. First of all, I got the Stilla liquid eyeshadow in Grace. It is beautiful. It looks really nice on the skin. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So this is it. It's a nice goldy bronzy color. So yeah, really like it. It's easy to use, it's long lasting. It's £23, so it's more expensive, but I like it. It doesn't spread. It looks, look how nice it looks. It's beautiful. Anyway, so I got that. Really like it. So yeah. Then I got Kiko makeup. These are the Kiko, what are they called? They are called Color Lasting Cream Eyeshadow. It's what I have on my eyelids at the moment. I might have not applied it well because I was in a rush, but it is what's on my eyelid. This is what it looks like. They're very creamy, really nice. And yeah, I am really happy with this purchase. I also got the eye primer, which is the Pearly Eye Base. The Kiko Pearly Eye Base. The sales assistant said it's really good and it makes the color last longer and look better. I haven't used this today. So when I do try them together, I'll let you know. Moving on. Oh no, let's stay at the Kiko one. So I also have the Matte Fusion Blush in I don't know how to say that. That's the box. And it's the color 04. And I haven't used this. It's a pinky color. And I think it's pink. I think I got a pink. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Really nice creamy colors. Very glowy. And that's why I got it. I wanted to try a glowy eyeshadow blusher. So that's why I got this. And then I bought this liquid lipstick from Autograph. It's the M&S brand. It's a lip lacquer. It looks really nice on the lips. It's very hard to apply. I really do not like the doe foot applicator. Look at this. It's a stick. Like, it's very difficult to apply. It's not that long lasting. It's like a glossy kind of lip lacquer. It's not my favorite. Will I use it? Yeah. Will I repurchase? Probably not. What else? My sister had given me this a long time ago, and I had never used it, but I really like it. It's the Clinique. What color is this? It's Clinique Cherry Pop, which is what I have on my lips now. And it looks nice. I like Clinique Pop. I like all the pops. So they're really nice. I've been using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer as my foundation when I have more time. I like it. I don't like the applicator though. It's a doe foot applicator. It takes a while to apply on the face, and then I spread it with my stippling brush. It is long lasting, good coverage. I would probably repurchase it because I like the result. And yeah, I just don't like the way you apply it. I would have preferred a pump or something. Moving on, I got this in a magazine, so I'm going to mention it. It's in Red magazine, and it's Radial mascara, which according to the magazine is like £24. So I'm like, okay, let's try this. I hope I don't like it because £24 is a lot for mascara. So yeah, Red, if you want to check that out. I also got the Autograph Hydrating Confidence Boost Primer. This is my new primer. I like it. It's very hydrating. It doesn't feel silicone-y. If you don't like silicone primers, then you should check this out. Really nice hydrating primer. I got a mini and then I got a biggie. I've made a video about that if you want to check it out. I'll link it down below if I remember, because I usually forget. Now, because I went on a trip, I bought some minis. I got a shampoo takeaway. It is the Charles Worthington Everyday Gentle micellar weightless conditioner and the weightless shampoo. So I was using these together. They do make your hair very light, really nice result. I like them. I might buy the full size. And I also got, this was given to me as a present, but I really like it. If you haven't tried Soap and Glory Sugar Crush, I got the body wash gel douche. It's a citrusy, lemony kind of scent. If you like these, it's good to wash yourself with. It smells nice. It makes you feel alive. It's really nice. And I also repurchased my favorite suntan lotion, sunscreen, SPF, whatever you call it. It's a Super City Block. I got 40, Clinique. This, I don't like suntan lotion that is greasy. This does not feel greasy. It has a little bit of tint in it. So you can wear this and just put your blusher and lipstick on. So repurchased, really like it. It's £19. I got it yesterday. And because I went on a trip, I also got this John Frieda Luxurious Volume Root Booster. I liked it. It did make my hair look fuller and voluminous, so I might end up buying the full size. Finally, I don't know if you've tried this. I'm going to try this and I'll let you know. I got the 1 Minute Urban Detox Mask, Nivea. It's a daily essential. I'll see what it's like because I like masks. So, and we need to put masks on our face if we want the skin to look good. So this is what I got lately. Let me know if you've tried any of these products and what you think. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.